So students, in the previous video you have seen transportation in plants, which can be explained by the theory ascent of sap. In the next we are going to see about transportation of food and other substances in the plants. So when we talk about translocation of food in plants, it involves a vascular tissue which is called as what? The phloem. The phloem is the conducting tissue in plants which transport food from the site of synthesis, that is what, the leaves, to all the different parts of the plant. As you know, the component of phloem are phloem fiber, phloem parenchyma, companion cell and sieve tubes. So these sieve tubes are thick, circular and elongated, and these companion cell and the sieve tube are majorly involved in translocation of food. So the food that is synthesized in the photosynthesis are soluble product like what? Sucrose and other carbohydrate which are produced during the process of photosynthesis. They get easily soluble in the water, and these are transported through phloem in upward and downward both the direction in all the parts of the plant. So the transport of soluble product of photosynthesis is only called as what? The translocation. And this translocation of food occurs by using the energy in the form of ATP, which is produced by the process of photosynthesis. So phloem not only transports the food prepared during the process of photosynthesis, but it is also responsible for the transport of different amino acid, hormones and other substances in plants. Now this prepared food material is translocated to fruits and seeds and different storage site in the plants according to the requirement and the season. So the sucrose is transferred into the phloem by using the energy which is utilized in the form of ATP, which leads to increase in the osmotic pressure of the tissue. And due to the difference in the osmotic pressure, the water moves into the phloem in which this carbohydrate is dissolved, and the material in the phloem is transported through the same process. Why? Because the phloem tissue also has a less pressure. So due to this difference in the osmotic pressure of different tissues, the food is translocated from one cell to another. And as I have told you, that also depends according to the season. So for that I'll like to give you an example that during the spring what happens? The sugar is stored in the root or stem, that is transported to the buds. Why? Because that bud need to flower and then requires for the formation of the fruit. So it requires higher energy for that. So during which what happen? In spring season we see that the direction of the transport of this stored food occurs from the root to the bud side. So this is how only transportation of food material occurs in the plant, for which phloem is responsible, and by utilizing the energy which occur, this transport occurs due to the osmotic pressure difference which is generated between the different cells. I hope you all have got the concept of translocation of food. Thank you all.